Go, put more in your mouth.
Julian, you almost made me choke.
Yo guys, the Julian Barboza back with another YouTube video. Guys, today we're gonna be doing another one. Yeah, if y'all haven't seen the first one, go watch the first one. It was with my brother. Bro, I can't. Oh my god. It smells nasty. But if y'all are new, I'm the Julian Barboza. Me and Gemini are both Americans, right? We're both live in the United States of America. And these foods sent out by munchpak, real quick sponsorship, munchpak. These foods are from Slovenia, Pakistan, Poland, and more. This is my sister Gemini. She takes forever to record YouTube videos. She takes like 4 hours. Oh yeah, she's 17 by the way. Next thing, so look, we have the munchpak right here. Angel's just standing watching because he wish he could be getting some food, but I'm sorry, buddy. But like, munchpak blessed us with this. Oh my god, my mom is here. Hello, mother. Hola. Hola, hola. We're recording a video, so you know, can you just go to the room? Alright, you're the best, mom. You're the best, mom. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be trying foods from all over the world. Like, this is something I wish I could do. I wish I could travel, you know, go and try foods actual all over the world. But munchpak, they do it simple and easy for you. They just send you a box of all you good foods. Last box, honestly, there was nothing really too good in there. Oh god. Hell no. But this one's different. I feel like this is the one, all right? Also, by the way, before this video starts, I have no clue what this says. I'm just wearing it because I like the hoodie. It feels good, and it's a purple hoodie. I don't have any purple hoodies. But yeah, before this video starts, make sure y'all drop a like on the video, drop a comment. Oh, I need to get something. I need to get like a bowl in case we need to like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Just kidding. I haven't been in one of your YouTube videos in a long time.
No, I wonder why.
I need to make YouTube videos. Y'all gotta motivate me.
I wonder why.
Lazy.
Alright guys, I got a bowl in case we need to throw up in. But first thing I want to start from nastiest to goodest, alright? So this is flavored wheat snacks. Onion flavored.
Those look nasty.
Alright, you get to try them first.
Ooh.
Alright, stop looking. Come on, try it.
Okay.
Wait, let me smell. Ooh, hell no, dude. Those smell like dog food.
Your breath's gonna stink. I just brushed my teeth.
Hey, that's what happens. That's what happens.
Here.
I just need a little piece, you know what I mean? Cause I know I'm not gonna like them. They're not bad. They taste like
no.
Bro, that's what the bowl is for.
Oh.
Oh my god. They're not bad. They taste like y'all know those what is it? Croutons, you know?
Oh yeah.
Croutons, the things that you put in salad and stuff?
Salad. Like the garlic ones.
Yeah, these are good. They're not bad. Oh yo guys, keep in mind, me and Gemini haven't ate all day.
Yeah.
I'm starving. Alright, so next.
Wait, which one were those?
Oh, those are from Israel. Not too bad. Alright guys, before we start trying more foods, I just want to show y'all what comes in the actual munchpak, right? So right now, how many do we have, Gemini? 12 different items, right? And it comes in this nice box. It gives you a little instruction book, and it tells you like where everything's from. Look, Poland, Mexico, Taiwan, Poland, like literally all over the world. There's different boxes, different sizes of boxes. If y'all want, y'all could check out munchpak at munchpak.com/shop. And they have all these kinds of foods. So if you want to do something like this, or even just try, like I said, I don't get to travel across the world and try these foods. So you could just buy a box and try these foods. So Gemini wanted to try the Doritos. All the food that we don't like, we're just gonna give it to Angel because, you know, he eats everything.
Alright, these are from Mexico. Yeah, Mexico.
Read it out. Originally sold as a round. Come on, man.
Originally sold as a round.
This is an educational video.
Across the US, now found only in Mexico in a classic triangular shape. These are filled to the max with zesty pizza flavor. You gotta get on your hands. You gotta get your hands on. I know these are from Mexico because when we went, they had.
Oh yeah, guys. I remember when we went to Mexico. Literally, our breakfast was chip soda candy.
Little things. Remember, some of the chips would come in those little chip things. Here.
Ooh. Hell no. That's not my type.
I like them.
Hell nah. Bro, honestly, I thought these were gonna be terrible. These are terrible. These are good. All right, let's see how dirty we can get this bowl. Personally, I want to try these next. These are called the Zuli green powder.
Those are from Poland.
They're from Poland.
Sweet and tart limited apple jellies made from real fruit juices.
It's a well-known in Poland and now sells sweets. Ooh,
in
these are
over
sweets.
60 countries worldwide.
Worldwide. Oh shit.
I feel like this is gonna be gross.
Ooh, these are good. I know these are good. My god. Damn.
It tastes like a candy that
These
we
are
have here.
good as hell. Give me all of them. These taste like the gummy Mexican candies. Oh no. They taste like, it's like the gummy candy. Like it's,
head.
yeah.
Gummy.
No, don't go there. These are mine. All that crap's for Angel. All right, next we're gonna try a cupcake, just a regular banana cupcake. There we go. Come on, man, you're in the video.
Oh wait, where is
Oh,
it
these are actually cupcakes. I thought it was just gonna be a cookie.
These are oven fresh cupcake. These taste, they're from Pakistan.
Oh, I don't know why it's not focusing, but guys, it's literally a little cupcake.
Oh, those are cute. These tasty cupcakes are moist, fresh, and flavorful, found with a chocolate center filling or fresh banana flavor. Is it good?
These are just like banana nut. Oh my gosh, these are good.
Put over.
Sorry. They're good. No cap. All right, let's get a drink though, cause I'm kind of thirsty. Right here is a
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew from.
Hey, Mountain Dew sweater. Let me see.
Guys, do I look good in purple? Is purple my color?
Japan.
Japan. All right, bet.
Crisp and refreshing grape flavor with added vegetable and elderberry juices created this unconventional but delicious.
Unconventional but delicious soda. Bro, you're a senior. How do you not know how to read?
I didn't know how. Shut up. I don't like grape stuff at all.
This hits different though.
Boy.
It's like a grape like. On here it says violet. I don't know if y'all can see. It says violet, but like if violet had a taste, this is how violet tastes. Wait, hold up. This is good.
Bro, give it to me.
Yeah, let me wear this. Oh, dude, that's good, right?
I don't like.
Dude,
I don't like grape flavor. I don't like grape flavor.
It hits different. I ain't gonna lie. All right, next, where are these from? They're little cookies.
Pakistan.
Let me read. Irresistible milk cream stuffed sandwich biscuits are making a comeback. Popular in the 1990s. People worldwide can't get enough of this throwback snack. That's how you read.
Oh, it's a throwback snack.
These are small as hell.
Is it focusing? Yeah. It's nasty?
It's just not my type. You gotta wash it down. It's not my type. Too thin. It's nasty, right? Bro, that's freaking disgusting. If you're gonna do that, make sure you're gonna tell me, because that looked disgusting. Alright, let's just get this out of the way. Pull it up on the thing.
Ooh, that looks nasty.
It's a Hello Kitty.
Taiwan. Julian's a professional reader.
Crunchy and sweet on the outside, with a mildly sweet cream on the inside. They are perfect to snack on anywhere, adding to their addictiveness.
What are they?
That does not sound good. It's a rice cake. Egg yolk flavor.
Yolk. Oh. No.
I think that's gonna be the nastiest thing out of all of this.
Look
Alright?
look.
So,
Let me take it out.
what are the odds that you eat all of it? Alright, 1 through 5. We're gonna say a number at the same time. If we say the number, then you have to eat it. If you don't, then you don't have to eat it all, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it just looks like a
What are the odds?
It just looks like a little, I don't even know, like a little just,
Alright.
I don't even know.
What are the odds?
1 through 5, alright?
On 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
You can count down. No, yeah. Or Angel can count down.
Angel, count down.
Come here.
To 3.
So like when he says 1.
I know, I say it.
What?
I know, I say it. I know, I have to say the The number.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
4. Wait, let's get 2 more tries. 2 more tries.
No!
Come on.
One more try.
1 more try.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
5. Yo! Let's go, baby! Ah!
Okay, wait, let's taste it first.
No, this is all you.
No,
This is all you. Hell no, that was the deal. Stop cheating.
Yeah, but you don't want to taste
Look,
it like
I'm
just
tasting
taste it.
I'm tasting it through my fingers. I touched it. It tastes like crap. Yo, it's actually nasty as hell. It's actually.
Take a little bite.
No, I already tasted it. It's nasty.
Julian, that's not fair.
You gotta eat all of it.
All of it?
So either you just take bites and eat it, or you just all once.
Okay.
It's nasty. You like it? Just hurry up. Good job. Good job. All right, next thing. This is gonna be a sour taffy.
Bro, my stomach's gonna hurt.
I didn't really like the sour taffy from the last time. Ew. Oh, this one smells. Last time they had an aftertaste too, so I don't think I'm gonna like this. I'm just gonna take a quick bite. I don't even know. This is not candy to me. This looks like you're eating plastic. Like I don't know why people eat this, but.
Where's it from? Oh, that my stomach's gonna start hurting. USA.
Yo, this is actually not that bad. I was hating on it before.
I love blue stuff. Like blue.
That's not bad. It really makes them. It's good. You want some? Yo guys, Angel's just sitting right here watching us record this video. He's watching us eat all this food. You wanna come on the video? No? Alright. Here, try it.
It's good.
Pastry. We're gonna get these pastries out the way. I really don't like pastries unless it's donuts or something, but
Italy.
real quick. Ooh, I thought this was a Twinkie at first.
Kind of looks like it. It's nasty.
It's just not my type. I don't know what to say. It's not for me. You like it? Nutella be ready, guys. We already know these are gonna taste good. So we're gonna try these Sour Patches. These Sour Patches, I'm assuming they're from. Oh, I thought this said mayonnaise, but it says Maynard Sour Patch.
Where are those from? Probably US. Canada.
Canada. Let me read it out. Let me get a quick sip. Sour on the outside, sweet on the inside. These gummies deliver on real cherry flavor that you'll be hard pressed to find elsewhere in gummy form. That was bad. All right, what are the odds that you Hey, what are the odds that you put all of these in your mouth?
All right, I want to. They taste like.
Oh, wait, let me taste one. Wait, no.
The Angel taste one.
They're good, but all at once, I don't know. What are the odds? 1 through 5 again.
Ready? Angel.
Countdown. All right, ready?
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right, ready? Go again.
Hey! All right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
4. All right, one more time.
No!
One more time, come on.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
4.
All right, 4. Here you go. All of
them?
Ah, come on, 4. She has all these other foods you can try. All of them, guys. Look. This is how many there is in there.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're good. All at once. Here, ready?
Wait.
All right, there you go. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. What are you doing? You're cheating. Yo, what the hell? You better eat all those. You put those in your mouth. They're good though, right?
They're sour.
Go, put more in your mouth.
Julian, you almost made me choke.
Yeah, you want one of these? They're good. I'm the king of what are the odds. These are, I was already starting to open them. But these are called Nutella Be Ready. Here you go, I get one, you get one.
Ooh, those look good.
These do look good.
Where are they from?
They're from like Japan.
Poland.
Poland.
Read it.
Get be ready for an exciting tasting experience. These crisp, crunchy wafers are shaped like a baguette and absolutely stuffed with rich, creamy Nutella and hazelnut spread. Are you ready?
Oh, look. Do you want to try one?
Whoa. These are
They
nice.
like break apart.
These are nice and. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. Alright, that's too much chocolate. You want this last one? That's too much chocolate. That's unhealthy. We promote healthy eating out here. Too much chocolate.
These smack.
A lot of y'all wonder what I do during the day. Guys, this is my dinner. This is actually my breakfast. I didn't eat all day. This is what a typical Julian Barboza life is like. You know, we just try and scavenge for food. I'm just kidding, bro. If y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all drop a like, guys. It really helps me eat. You know what I mean? Honestly, dropping a like helps me. If you want to help me eat, instead of eating all these regular foods, make sure you drop a like. I appreciate all of y'all for watching. Shout out to Gemini for taking 3 hours to get ready. Yeah, guys, this food is pretty good. From American, I think I want to go to, if I was American, wanted to travel.
Poland.
Where do you want to go? Poland has some good food, right? As an American, I want to go to Poland and try out their food. So if anybody in Poland wants to fly me out, you know what I mean? You can do that. I want to try out the food. Do you need to say anything? Oh yeah, if you haven't yet, go follow me on my Instagram. Help me make videos. I get a bunch of YouTube video ideas and y'all help me make videos on Instagram. So yeah, if you haven't yet, go follow me on Instagram. Drop a like, drop a comment. But if you watch the full video, make sure you comment Poland. All right, comment Poland so we know you watched the full video. And we out, baby. Ah!